Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter integration. Now Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, we are going to discuss the integration of the some function using substitution. If the function is not in the standard form of the integration, then we have to choose a substitution and convert it into the standard form. This is the aim of the standard substitution method. Okay, now this is type 1. Now type 1, if the integration is in the form of f of ax plus b dx, procedure to integrate, put ax plus b is equal to t, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is equal to a, this is equal to dt by dx, okay. Then dx is equal to dt by a, dx is equal to dt by a. So the integration will be what? Integration f of ax plus b means here t, and dx means what? Dx means dt by a. So this is equal to 1 by a constant f of t into dt. According to the function, the formula will be applied. Now example related to this. So suppose you are given this is equal to, suppose one example, 3x plus 4 whole to the power suppose 5 into dx. Integrate. One example, 3x plus 4 whole to the power 5 dx. So this is put 3x plus 4 is equal to t. Okay. Then differentiate with respect to x. So 3 is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to what? Dx is equal to, this is equal to what? Dt by 3. So this is t to the power 5 into dt by 3, that is equal to 1 by 3 constant t to the power 5 dt. So 1 by 3 into t to the power 6 by 6 plus c. So 1 by 3 means 1 by 3 into 1 by 6, that is 1 by 18. T means what? 3x plus 4 whole to the power 6 plus c. This is the answer. Okay. So now some standard formulae, that is formulae related to f of ax plus b. Number 1 formula, that is note number 1, integration ax plus b whole to the power n dx is equal to 1 by a means x coefficient into ax plus b whole to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, provided n not equal to minus 1. Okay. So number 1, this is number 1, and number 2, integration of 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a log ax plus b base e plus c, or we can write 1 by a ln ax plus b plus c. Number 3, integration of sin of ax plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. Number 4, integration of cos ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a sin ax plus b plus c. Number 5, integration sec square ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a tan ax plus b plus c. Number 6, integration cosec square ax plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a cot ax plus b plus c. Number 7, integration sec ax plus b plus into tan ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a sec ax plus b plus c. Number 8, integration cosec ax plus b cosec ax plus b into cot ax plus b dx is equal to 1 minus 1 by a cosec ax plus b plus c. Number 9, integration a to the power alpha x plus beta is equal to 1 by alpha into a to the alpha x plus beta by log ln a plus c. Number 10, e to the power ax plus b integration this dx integration dx is equal to 1 by a e to the power ax plus b plus c. These are the formulae based on f of ax plus b. Okay. The formulae are last formula number 9, integration a to the alpha x plus beta into dx is equal to 1 by a to the alpha x plus beta by log a plus c. Last 10 is integration e to the ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a to the ax plus b plus constant. These are the 10 formulae based on function of ax plus b. Okay. These are the 5 questions. So first question answers here. Solutions. Number 1 question, integration of 2x plus 1 whole to the 3 dx. एटा को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म आम अप्लाई कर हम ना सब्स्टिट्यूशन एक्स प्लस बी फॉर्म थे एक्स प्लस बी को टी ना पड़ो तो ये कौन पड़ो पुट 2x plus 1 is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. So 2 equal to dt by dx or ds is equal to dt by 2. So this is equal to what? T to the power t dt by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into constant. So integration tq dt. So this is equal to 1 by 2 t to the power 4 by 4 plus c. So 1 by 8 t means what? 2x plus 1 whole to the power 4 plus c. This is the procedure, actual procedure, but according to formula. और आम करी परिवा सीधा इंटीग्रेशन 2x plus 1 whole cube dx. तो आम फॉर्मूला कौन अच्छी? फॉर्मूला होची इंटीग्रेशन 2x plus 1 ax plus b whole to n dx. फॉर्मूला हला x कोएफिशिएंट 1 by x कोएफिशिएंट into ax plus b whole to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. ओके आमे सब यही मेथडटा करवा शॉर्टकट रे हो परिबो. सो x कोएफिशिएंट केते अछि 1 by 2 अछि 2 अछि. सो 1 by 2 हला 1 by x कोएफिशिएंट into 2x plus 1 to power n plus 1 n hala 3 plus 1 4 divide by 4, so 1 by 8 into 2x plus 1 whole to the power what is here 4 plus any constant of efficiency. This is the answer of the question 1. Now solution of question number 2. Now solution of question number 2, integration 1 by square root of 3s plus 2 plus square root of 3s minus 2 into dx. आपको rationalize करो तो ऊपर वो 3s plus 2 root over plus 3s minus 2 root over divide by 3s plus 2 plus root over 3s minus 2 into root over 3s plus 2 minus root over, this is plus here, so it minus multiply करिए minus होगा and root over 3x minus 2, so into dx. So this is equal to integration root over 3s plus 2 minus root over 3s minus 2 divide by a plus b into a minus b formula 3x plus 2 a square means root over minus b square means minus 3 minus of 3s minus 2 into dx. So this is equal to integration square root of 3s plus 2 minus square root of 3s minus 2 divided by 3s minus 3s cancel, and this is what 2 and this is plus 2, so 3x plus 2 minus 3s plus 2 into dx. 3s cancel 2 to 4, 1 by 4 constant integration of root over what 3s plus 2 means what 3s plus 2 means 3s plus 2 root over means power 1 by 2 my dx minus 3s minus 2 root over means power half into dx. So this is equal to here by the formula. What is formula? Formula is integration ax plus b whole to the n dx is equal to 1 by ax plus b whole to the n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula. So apply this formula here. 1 by 4 present, so 1 by 4, so a means what x coefficient here 3, so 1 by 3 into 3s plus 2 power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus here 1 by 3 3x minus 2 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to, we will get this is equal to, okay, so this is equal to 1 by 4, come this 1 by 4 into what 3x plus 2 whole to the power 3s plus whole to the power, this is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 3s minus 2 whole to power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, so 3 by here 2 common, that is 2 by 3, so 1 by 4 into this is 2 by 3, 3 by 2 approval 2 by 3 about 2 by 3 into that is 3s plus 2 whole to the power 3 by 2 minus 3s minus 2 whole to the 3 by 2 plus c. So this is equal to what 2 to 1 by 6 cancel here 1 by 6 into 3s plus 2 whole to the power 3 by 2 minus 3s minus whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is answer of the question number 2. Okay, now question number 3. Now question number 3 is what? Now question number 3. Question number 3. this is equal to 3 integration of sin 3s plus 8 into dx. We have formula. What is formula? The formula is integration of sin ax plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. This is formula. So it is here a equal to 3. So minus 1 by 3 cos 3s plus 8 plus c. Okay, or you can do putting 3s plus 8 equal to t. Then this is same. Question number 4 is same, similar to this. Integration of this is plus c. Okay, this is answer of question number 3, and question number 4 is sec of 3x minus 4 into tan of 3s minus 4 into ds. अच्छा sec x into tan x इंटीग्रेशन होची sec x. x कोएफिशिएंट डिवाइड करियो पड़ो. x कोएफिशिएंट अछि केते? x कोएफिशिएंट 3 minus 4x. This is 3 minus 4x. The question is what? 3 minus 4x. The question is 3 minus 4x. So what is integration of sec x and tan x? Integration of sec x and tan x is equal to sec x. But ax plus b फॉर्म थिले x कोएफिशिएंट डिवाइड करा हबो. ओके, तो x कोएफिशिएंट अछि -4 अछि. तो x कोएफिशिएंट -4 अछि. सो फार्मूला हबो केते 1 by x कोएफिशिएंट माने 1 by -4 sec x into tan x इंटीग्रेशन जिन होछि सेटा x भाबी देले कोन हबो sec x हबो. sec x माने केते अछि डी 3 minus 4x plus c. This is answer. Question number 4. This is answer of question number 4. Then question number 5. Integration of 5 into 5 to the power 3s minus 1. 8 x कोएफिशिएंट केते अछि? x कोएफिशिएंट अछि 3. सो फर्स्ट x कोएफिशिएंट डिवाइड करियो 1 by 3. तापर एटा कोटा फार्मूला अछि 8 to the x फार्मूला अछि. तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 8 to the x माने 8 to the x into 8 to the x by log a. So 5 to the x means एते 3s minus 1 by log a. A means 5 by log a, log 5 plus c. These are the answers of the question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then next another question. Now type 2, integration of type 2, integration of, this is type 2, integration of f of x whole to the power n into f dash x dx. गोटे फंक्शन रो पावर जा थाउ ना कहीं फंक्शन रो थिबो गोटे तार पावर जते थाउ थाउ आ तार डेरिवेटिव से साइड रे इनटू मल्टीप्लाई ही थिबो एमे थिबो बोले आ पे वर्किंग रूल होची पुट f of x is equal to t, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So f dash x is equal to dt by dx or f dash x into ds is equal to dt. Okay, f dash x into ds is equal to dt. एटार वैल्यू हला dt. सो एटा नै जे मु t नै छी एति वैल्यू नै छी केते एति वैल्यू t नै छी एति वैल्यू t नै छी. सो इंटीग्रेशन t टू द n एटा वैल्यू हला dt. ओके, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू t टू द n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where n not equal to -1, n not equal to -1. This is the working rule. Okay, how to, this is type 2, this is working rule, working. Okay, to find integration. Suppose one example integration of integration of sin 4th x into cos x dx. So sin रो डेरिवेटिव cos x अछि हला. सो एट कोन करे पुट sin x is equal to t, डेरिवेटिव करले cos x is equal to dt by dx. So cos ds is equal to cos x into ds अछि ना, cos x into ds अछि. तो cos x into ds is equal to dt. एट पकले केता होची इंटीग्रेशन t to the 4 into dt. So t to the power 5 by 5 plus c. So this is equal to what? This is equal to t means what? Sin. तो sin 5th x by 5 plus c. This is answer. So from the above question we conclude that this is equal to what? F of x whole to n means f of x to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is answer. So another example is what? Another example is integration. Another example is integration. Suppose integration of x by x square plus 5 whole to the power 3 by 2 dx. एमती अच्छे हेल्ले भाव पड़े एक्स स्क्वायर इंटीग्रेशन डेरिवेटिव के 2x होची. एक्चुअली डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर के डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स के डी बाई डी एस ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर 2x होची प्लस 5 थिले मध्य के 2x हो नहीं बट ये एक्स अच्छी तमें इंटू 2/2 कर तापर टी नॉलेज गले भी हम मल्टीपल के नंबर मल्टीपल देची 2 मल्टीपल 2 हवा दरकार देनी हेल्ले मत सीधा ये 2 नेल हम ना तुम बैलेंस कर इंटू 2/2 कले के दैट इज 2x बाई एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5 टू होल टू द 3/2 dx. सो पुट x square plus 5 is equal to t, differentiate, that is 2x is equal to dt by dx. So 2x dx is equal to kate dt by dt. So 1/2 into dt by t to the power kate 3/2. So this is equal to what? 1/2 t रो पावर माइनस 3/2 तो t रो पावर माइनस 3/2 प्लस 1 बुझल कौन पहला जे ना यहाँ पूर्व नहीं गली आ लिखी दे स्टेप डी इंटू डी टी है. सो 1/2 t टू द पावर माइनस 3/2 प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाई माइनस 3/2 प्लस 1 प्लस c. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? दिस इज प्लस c. नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू t to the power, now this is equal to 1/2 into what? 1/2 into t to the power minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1/2 whole divided by, that is equal to what? Sorry, 1/2 minus, this is minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 means what? Minus 1/2. Okay, and this is t minus 1/2 plus c. So 2 this should cancel, this is equal to minus 1/root over t plus c, that is minus 1/root over t means what? t means नहीं तुम्हें x square plus 5. ओके आउ थे मुझे रिकॉल कर दूसरी क्वेश्चन रो आंसर टाक फास्ट देखिए डेरिवेटिव आर डेरिवेटिव भितर देखिए पावर दरकार नहीं 2x हो एक्स अच्छी 2 ना तो इंटू 2/2 कली एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5 को टी नेली डिफरेंशिएट कली 2x इज इक्वल dt by ds है. ओके 2x ds इक्वल dt आसला. सो 1/2 लिखिली यहाँ dt है यहाँ t रो पावर 3/2 है ऊपर को गले t रो पावर माइनस 3/2 dt है 1/2 है t रो पावर n प्लस 1 n है माइनस 3/2 प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाय माइनस 3/2 प्लस 1. सो 1/2 t रो पावर दैट इज माइनस 3 प्लस 2/2 माइनस हाफ डिवाइड बाय माइनस हाफ यहाँ कैंसल है माइनस सिंबल रहा t रो पावर अच्छी केते तो माइनसटा अच्छी माइनस लिखिली t रो पावर 1/-1/2 अच्छी तलू ना t रो पावर 1/2 हम t रो पावर 1/2 माने रूट t तो t रो वैल्यू केते अच्छी x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 अच्छी. दिस इज प्लस c, दिस इज आंसर. ओके नाउ important formulae. Number 1, integration of integration of this is f dash x by f of x dx is equal to माने तले फंक्शन थिबो ऊपर ता डेरिवेटिव थिबो is equal to log of the function plus number. This is proof is this is important formula. proof substitution method जब फंक्शन आउ ता डेरिवेटिव अच्छी तबे फंक्शन टाको टी नेबो f of x होची फंक्शन f dash x होची ता डेरिवेटिव तो एटा कौन करिबा पुट f of x is equal to t f of x is equal to t ताको डिफरेंशिएट कर बोथ साइड डिफरेंशिएट कले डिफरेंशिएट बोथ साइड्स with respect to x fx और डेरिवेटिव होची f dash x is equal to dt by dx. So this is equal to f dash x dx is equal to dt. f dash x ds is equal to dt. f dash x अच्छी ना नहीं f dash x ds अच्छी या बदल रे कौन होची dt ही होची dt f of x मान dt by t 1 by t dt means formula होची log base t plus c और लिखि परिबा और this is equal to what log base c means what log base c means ln. So this can be also written as ln t. Okay, this is log t माने केता अछि डी t माने अछि f of base c अछि f of x plus c. So or we can write ln f of x plus c. This is the formula proof of formula number 1. Now another important formula number 2. Now formula number 2 root of x is equal to f dash x by root of x 2 root over f of x plus c. Okay, 2 root over f of x plus c. एटा प्रति प्रूफ एग्जैक्ट सिंध हो प्रूफ इंटीग्रेशन f dash x डिवाइड बाय रूट f x into dx. एटा फंक्शन आउट ता डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट अछि फंक्शन आउट ता डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट अछि फंक्शन डाउ t नब तमे ए फंक्शन दा कोन अछि डी ना पुट f of x is equal to t डिफरेंशिएट करियो म अगेन रिपीटली लिखुनी. सो f dash x dx is equal to what dt f dash x ds equal dt dt by root over fx माने केते root over fx माने t नै छ. सो root t हे गला इडे root t means what t to the power minus 1 by 2 प्रूव गला dt. So this is equal to t to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So t plus c. Okay, plus c. So this is equal to t to the power at minus 1 plus 2 means what minus 1 by 2 divided by what 1 by 2 t to the power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c that is equal to eta 2 ऊपर चलिबो 2 into t half माने root over t plus c and t माने केता अछि t माने fx 2 into root over fx plus c. This is the proof of the important formula number 2. And another formula this is another formulas. So integration of tan x is equal to minus ln cos x or ln sec x. Now prove this. We have to prove this integration for proof of 3. This is the formula integration of tan x is equal to minus ln cos x or ln sec x plus c. Okay, we will prove that this is equal to so integration tan x dx. तो एटा को इंटीग्रेशन आमे लिखि परिबा sin x by cos x dx. cos रो डेरिवेटिव होची माइनस sin तो माइनस sin होची तो माइनस t एन लिखिबा माइनस sin x dx कौन पे माइनस लिखली ना cos रो डेरिवेटिव होची माइनस sin तो माइनस sin टा रही अछि तारे तो ये कौन हो कहले ना पुट cos x इज इक्वल टू t और फार्मूला आम जानते तो फार्मूला कौन अच्छी इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एफ डैश एक्स बाई एफ ऑफ एक्स dx फार्मूला नंबर 1 रे पढ़ले इंपोर्टेंट फार्मूला या फार्मूला होची कौन log fx प्लस c ना नहीं log fx प्लस c हो सो माइनस ऑफ व्हाट नहले cos x को t नहीं कला जोटा कले भी हम यही फार्मूला सीधा अप्लाई कला हम नहले तुम t नहीं कर पारे cos x इक्वल t नहीं कर सो दिस इज इक्वल माइनस f डैश x माने sin x माइनस sin x एटा f ऑफ x है cos x f डैश होची माइनस sin x सो माइनस log केता बडी cos x हबो प्लस c ओके और माइनस उठेले पावर एपटे हो ln cos x टू द पावर माइनस 1 प्लस c सो दिस इज इक्वल टू log ऑफ 1 बाय cos x प्लस c सो दिस इज इक्वल टू log sec x प्लस c ओके एटा है परियो दिस इज फार्मूला नंबर 1 नाउ फार्मूला नंबर 2 नाउ फार्मूला नंबर क्वेश्चन फार्मूला नंबर 3 देन सिमिलरली फार्मूला नंबर 4 कैन बी प्रूव्ड से फार्मूला पड़ला एफ डैश एक्स बाई एफ एक्स तो cos x टा एफ एक्स माइनस sin x हूँ एफ डैश एक्स सो आगे गोटे माइनस साइन अच्छी माइनस ऑफ log एफ एक्स मीन्स cos x ओके सो साइड में फार्मूला लिखाई देख ना फार्मूला नंबर 4 फार्मूला नंबर 4 दैट इज formula number 4 what is this is cot x dx so this is cos x by sin x into dx okay formula integration of f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log fx plus c formula होची sin x रो डेरिवेटिव cos x sin x रो डेरिवेटिव cos x here f of x is equal to what f of x is equal to sin x f dash x is equal to cos x so this is equal to ln f of x means sin x plus c or we can write ln 1 by cosec x plus c or that is ln cosec x to the power minus 1 plus c or minus ln cosec x plus c okay this is question formula number 4 and formula number 5 is now formula number 5 is formula number 5 this is equal to integration of sec x dx तो आम यहाँ को एमती करवा sec x ऊपर कौन आसुची तो मु लिखी sec x ओके तो आमको दरकार log sec x plus tan x log sec x माने तले रहा दरकार sec x plus tan x रहिले log हम है तो ऊपर मध्य sec x plus tan x करवा तो एबे कौन करवा dx ठीक अच्छे एबे कौन करवा एटा को लिखिबा put sec x equal to t put sec x plus tan x is equal to t तो sec x डिफरेंशिएट करवा थ्रो डिफरेंशिएट both sides with respect to x so it have sec x derivative sec x into tan x tan रो डेरिवेटिव sec square x dt by dx सो ये sec x को कॉमन काढ़ा ये हम sec x प्लस tan x प्लस sec x राइट tan x प्लस sec x ds एपटे आनदेवा इक्वल टू dt अच्छी ना sec इंटू sec x प्लस tan x इंटू ds ये टोटाल बदल रे dt हो एंड एटा को t नहीं dt by t है dt by t माने केते log t plus c। अच्छा t माने केते t माने sec x plus tan x plus c प्रूव हो गला फार्मूला नंबर 5। देन फार्मूला नंबर 6 then formula number 6 then formula number 6 formula number 6 this is integration of cosec x dx is equal to log of minus cosec x minus cosec x minus cosec x log of cosec x minus cot x plus c एटा मध्ये एग्जैक्ट सिंध हम आपको कौन करवा इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस इज फार्मूला ओके सो वी हैव रिक्वायर्ड टू द आंसर इज रिक्वायर्ड व्हाट रिक्वायर्ड log of sec x minus cot x ता माने 1/x फॉर्म हेले log x होची तो तळे रहइबो cos sec x minus cot x रहइबा दरकार तो cos sec x ए तळे लिखबी cos sec x माइनस कॉट एक्स जो तले लिखी ऊपर मध्य इंटू करिया पड़ो कोसेक एक्स माइनस कॉट एक्स इंटू डी एक्स एवं बर्तमान पुट कोसेक एक्स माइनस कॉट एक्स इज इक्वल टू टी कोसेक एक्स माइनस कॉट एक्स इज इक्वल टू टी सो कोसेक एक्स माइनस कॉट एक्स इक्वल टी हेले आपको डिफरेंशिएट करो बोथ साइड विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स differentiate both side with respect to x differentiate both side with respect to x differentiate both sides with respect to x तो cosec रो डेरिवेटिव होची cosec x into cot x cot रो माइनस होले प्लस हे जो प्लस cos स्क्वायर x dt by dx मो वर्तमान cosec x गोटे कॉमन काढबे एटा फास्ट प्लस अछि लिखि दोछि cosec x then minus cot x dx is equal to dt okay so this is equal to what this is equal to cosec into minus cot x equal dt dt by केते t हबो dt by t हेले ये हबो log t plus c log t माने केते t माने cosec x minus cot x प्लस सी एटा को तुम साइन बाय 1 बाय साइन करो एटा cos बाय साइन कले एटा आसीबो tan x by 2 आसीबो दीज आर द 6 स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूले ऑफ द इंटीग्रेशन now the formula will be what note what is integration of tan x plus b dx tan रो जानछन log of sec x so x को x plus b अच्छे x फॉर्म रे वर्तमान 1/a log of sec x plus b plus c हबो okay similarly this is 1 this is 2 integration cot of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a log sin of ax plus b plus c number 3 integration sec of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a log of sec ax plus b plus tan ax plus b okay plus c now formula number 4 integration of this is equal to integration of cosec ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a log of cosec ax plus b minus cot ax plus b plus c okay these are the formula tan x formula जानछन्ती जदि ax plus b थिबो 1 by a पड़ी formula हबो okay now now types and procedure. Types of integration and this is procedure. Integration sin f of x into f dash x dx. Okay, 1 2 cos of f of x into f dash x dx etc. and 3 a to the power f of x f dash x dx. 4 integration e to the f of x f dash x dx. ए सबू पाई पुट f of x is equal to t. Put f of x is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect, so f dash x ds is equal to dt हबो तापर प्रोसेस अनुसार जीवा. देखो एग्जांपल केते देबी आकु बेस करके ए फार्मूला बेस करी ए कांसेप्ट देगी एग्जांपल केते देबी. These 5 questions, these are 5 questions and answers here. Answers. Number 1, integration of sin x square plus 2x plus 5 into x plus 1 into dx. आमे देखियो पड़ो जो ब्रैकेट भीतर जो अच्छी तार डेरिवेटिव होउछ कि देखो एट देख कौन होची ना एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 5 रो डेरिवेटिव केता होची ना 2x प्लस 2 होची. सो 2 गोटे कॉमन काले x प्लस 1 होछ नहीं तो एट x प्लस 1 अच्छी ना नहीं x प्लस 1 अच्छी तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 होची 2 मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कले हे जीवो नहले एतिकी टी नेल भी हे जीवो. जदी 1/2 करबी एट हम sin x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 5 हो ये 2 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1 इंटू ds लिखिपारि है. बर्तमान आर डेरिवेटिव एतिक अच्छी. सो यहाँ को टी नहीं है एफ ऑफ एक्स ब्रैकेट भीतर अच्छे एफ ऑफ एक्स एल एफ डैश एक्स तो लिखा पुट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू टी. तो डेरिवेटिव हूँ के 2x प्लस 2 ये इज इक्वल टू dt बाई dx. 2 गोटे कॉमन काले के एक्स प्लस 1 इंटू ds इज इक्वल टू dt हो नहीं. बर्तमान यहीटा बदल dt ही गला एंड यहीटा बदल टी नहीं तो 1/2 इंटू sin t ये dt 1/2 डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin t होची माइनस cos t प्लस c. सो माइनस 1/t cos t माने केते x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 5 प्लस c होची. दिस इज आंसर. ओके नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज now second answer of second question. Now question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is this is integration of cos e to the x plus 1 into e to the x ds. r e to the x plus 1 डेरिवेटिव तो लिखि पारिबा e to the x is plus 1 is equal to t. कौन पे नेबी जे जदि एटा को t नेबी डेरिवेटिव e to the x आसीबो तो t नेबी फंक्शन टी नेबी डिफरेंशिएट करो. डिफरेंशिएट कले केता होसी e to the x एपट हला dt by dx. सो e to the x ds is equal केते dt अछि ना e to the x ds equal dt. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू cos t dt. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू sin t plus c. sin t माने केते e to the x plus 1 plus c. Okay, then question now this is question number 2. Then question number 3 is क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 तो 3 is a to the power sin x into cos x dx तो 8 द्वारा sin x एटा sin डेरिवेटिव cos होची पुट sin x is equal to t ओके सो cos x dx is equal to dt हे जीवो एटा dt पड़ला a to t dt that is equal to a to t by log a plus c a to the t means sin x by log a plus c answer this is question number answer of question number 3 now question number 4 answer of question number 4 this is e to the what is e to the root x by root x ds so put root x is equal to t derivative of 1 by 2 root of x dx is equal to dt so 1 by root x ds is equal to what 2 dt so एटा बदले 2 dt पड़िबो 2 टा कांस्टेंट e to t ds by root x this is dt by 2 dt so 2 constant dt so this is equal to t, 2 into the t plus c so 2 into e to t माने केते root x plus c this is question number 4 now question number 5 this is equal to tan inverse x whole cube divided by 1 plus x square into dx तो tan inverse x डेरिवेटिव होची d by ds of tan inverse x होची 1 by 1 plus x square अछि ना सो एटा t नै जो पुट tan inverse x is equal to t tan inverse x is equal to t differentiate both side with respect to x so एटा केते हबो 1 by 1 plus x square ds एपट आसला dt by ds ले एपट आसला dt रहला कोन पे dt by ds ले एपट आनली सो एटा हबो t q एटा हला dt that is equal to t4 by 4 plus c that is equal to t means what t means tan inverse x power 4 by 4 plus c okay then now let's discuss some more problems related to the substitution method number one question that is integration of 2x plus 3 divided by 5x minus 1 dx एटा हम दुईटा मेथड करि परिया गोटे हो सेटिंग करि परिबा नहले न्यूमरेटर पावर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू डिनोमिनेटर पावर थिले डिग्री थिले आमे डिवीजन मेथड करि परिबा और सेटिंग मेथड करि परिबा तो सेट कोन करियो पड़ियो ना एटी 5x अछि एटी 5 करियो पड़ियो तो 2 टा अछि तो 2 टा फर्स्ट कॉमन काट लेबा तो केता होई x plus 3 by 2 by 5x minus 1 आपको 5x करियो पड़ियो so 2 into 2 by 5 5x 5 मल्टीप्लाई करछि 5 मल्टीप्लाई करके केता हो 15 by 2 by 5x minus 1 dx तळे अछि 5x minus 1 ऊपर मध्ये 5x minus 1 करियो पड़ियो 2 by 5 5x minus 1 कले plus 1 करियो पड़ियो plus 1 plus 15 by 2 divide by 5x minus 1 dx आपको गोटे पार्ट कर दियो this is equal to 2 by 5 integration of 5x minus 1 plus 2 plus 15 17 by 2 by 5x minus 1 into dx तो 2 by 5 वाला पार्टीशन कर दो पार्ट कर दियो 5x minus 1 by 5x minus 1 dx 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 into 17 by 2 that is equal to plus what 2 to cancel asla 17 by 5 constant bahar nei gali into इंटीग्रेशन 1/5x minus 1 dx ये कैंसल होगा that is equal to what? That is equal to 2/5 इंटीग्रेशन dx है x एटा होची प्लस 17/5 यही फॉर्मूला पके दो को फॉर्मूला ना हमर फॉर्मूला अछि इंटीग्रेशन फॉर्मूला अछि इंटीग्रेशन 1/ax plus b dx is equal to 1/a log ax plus b ए फॉर्मूला पड़िबो सो a टा केते अछि जी 5 सो 1/5 into log 5x minus 1 plus c this formula applied here okay so 2/5 x plus 17/5 17/25 is 5 into 5 25 log 5x minus 1 plus c this is the formula and this is the answer this is question number answer of question number 1 now question number 2 now question number 2 question number 2 this is integration x square into cos x cube into dx clearly हमको जाना पड़ुची x square रो डेरिवेटिव 3x square हला r डेरिवेटिव 3x square x square टर्म ला अछि तो हमें एटा को टी नहीं परिला put x cube is equal to t x cube is equal to t तो कौन पाइबा देखबेटी डेरिवेटिव कले ना 3x square is equal to dt by dx so x square into dx is equal to dt by 3 तो हमें लिखि परबे देखो एटी कोन अछि ना x cos x cube into x square dx लिखि परबा पोजीशन चेंज कर दी यार वैल्यू असले dt by 3 this is equal to cos t into dt by 3 so 1/3 constant आगे लिखिबा cos t dt so 1/3 integration of cos t means sin t plus c so 1/3 sin t means what t means x cube plus c this is answer of question number 2 and again question number 3 and again question number 3 and again question number 3 question number 3 integration e to the x sec e to the x tan e to the x dx तो हमें लिखि परिबा e to the x ता dx पाखो ने जी integration sec e to the x tan e to the x into e to the x dx okay so एटा कोन हो देखो put e to the x is equal to t कोन पाई e to the x डायरेक्ट e to the x is equal to t so e to the x dx is equal to dt या बदल रे dt हे जो so integration sec t tan t into dt integration of sec t into tan t is equal to what sec t plus c so what is t sec t means what e to the x plus c this is answer of question number 3 again question number 4 again question number 4 this is equal to what integration of sec square root x by root x dx we know derivative of sec x we know d by dx of root x is equal to 1/2 root x so 1 by root x टर्म अछि तो हमें एटा को t नै परबा put root x is equal to t 1/2 into root x dx is equal to what dt by dx so 1 by root x is equal dx is equal to 2 into dt so it sec square t या बदल रे dt by 2 dt तो 2 टा कांस्टेंट आगो ले जिबा 2 into sec square t into dt sec square इंटीग्रेशन होची 10t sec square t रो 10t plus e 2 into 10t माने कोन t root x plus e. This is answer of question number 4. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Integration. This is question number 5. Integration 1 e to the power 1 minus 1 by x square by x plus 1 by x dx. तो जाना x रो डेरिवेटिव केते 1 by x रो डेरिवेटिव केते minus 1 by x square. So एटा को t नेगे भेजिबो डिनोमिनेटर put x plus 1 by x is equal to t derivative x 1 होची x 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square dt by dx. So dt by dx. Okay, now this is equal to what? This is x by, so derivative is what here. The question will be little bit change. This is, suppose this is question is ln of, right? This is ln of. So this can be written as this is ln of, correct? So this can be, we know ln of union ln e to the power ln m is equal to what? M. So this is equal to what? Integration of 1 by 1 minus x square by x plus 1 by x. Make it correction. That is log of e to the log of 1 minus x square by x plus 1 by x. So this can be e to the ln m equal to m. So 1 minus 1 by x square divided by x plus 1 by x. So this is equal to what? Now this term will be what? This term will be dt. 1 minus 1 by x square into dx is equal to what? dt. This term will be. So dt by or 1 by t. dt by t means what? Ln t plus c. But ln t मान केते? t मान होची x plus 1 by x plus c. This is answer of question number 5. This is e to the ln. Sorry, this is e to the ln 1 minus 1 by x square by x plus 1 by x. Correct? Now question number 6. Question number 6. This is 6. Integration of cosec square x by 1 plus cot x dx. 1 रो डेरिवेटिव 0, cot रो होची डेरिवेटिव cos square x, तो डिनोमिनेटर t ले लो. Put 1 plus cot x is equal to t. And the derivative of 1 0 and derivative of cot x means minus cos square x. Derivative of cot x is equal to what? Minus cos square x. dt by dx. So cos square x dx is equal to minus dt. या बदल में minus dt है. Minus आगे निकली dt by t minus log t plus c. So minus log t means what? T means 1 plus cot x plus c. Okay. Now this is question number 6. Now question number 7. Question number 7. That is integration of sin x by cos qx. Cos रो डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin x, तो माइनस से भी चोट प्रॉब्लम है. Put cos x is equal to t. Derivative का होची minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. एटा minus dt है, minus टा आगे रखली dt by dq. So minus t to the minus 3 dt. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is minus t to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to minus t to the power minus 2 by minus 2 minus plus into, so 1 by what 2t square plus c. So 1 by 2t square means what 1 by 2 t माने कितने लेंगे cos x 2 cos square x plus c 1 by 2 cos square x, that is half sec square x plus c. Okay, तो लिखना cos का t ने minus sin x ds dt, sin x ds को minus dt, तो dt by dq हैला minus अच्छी बाहर है t रो पावर minus 3 dt हैला minus 3 plus 1 by minus, ठीक अच्छी minus अच्छी t रो पावर minus 2 ये minus 2 minus minus plus हैला हाफ ले लेते t रो पावर minus 2 को तळु नेले t स्क्वायर हैला 1 by t माने कितने cos x 1 by 2 cos square x plus c 1 by 2 1 by cos square means what sec square x plus c. These are the 7 questions. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.